Where's the camera? Oh, there you are. You're staring at me. Okay. Welcome, YouTube. I got a couple of vending machine plays I wanted to show you right now. This one is at my local Walmart. Hit it. Which color is it? I'm gonna go with pink. Well, I was correct. What is that, yellow? It's one of those, I think. No, it's none of them. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey. This next one is at Winco. Would you look at that? Watch this. Like this button, and I'll like two of them. Look at that, Dad. I forgot one of them. I mean, I forgot to put it away at home, so I decided to. I got a 4 for 2 also at the Duck Claw. Yeah. And thanks. Oh, maybe I should move my finger. And thanks for watching. See you later.